Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a traditional Greek braised bean dish called Fasolakia. In this recipe I'm using flat Romano beans because they're in season and I absolutely love them. Regular green beans will do if you can't find them. I'm also using chickpeas instead of potatoes to give it a protein punch. It's super delicious and I can't wait to show you how to make it. Thank you so much for joining me in making this beautiful Greek braised bean dish. For more of my recipes, check out my website mysweetgreek.com and my other videos here.